Welcome back to my channel. The ketogenic keto diet has garnered significant attention for its potential benefits for diabetics. This low-carb, high-fat diet can help manage blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Today, we'll explore a detailed keto meal plan, including exact ingredients and preparation instructions, and explain why these recipes are beneficial for diabetics and healthy eaters. We'll also introduce you to a custom keto diet plan that you can purchase for a more tailored approach. Breakfast, keto, avocado, and egg breakfast bowl. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 large eggs, 1 cup baby spinach, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Instructions: 1/2 the avocado and remove the pit. Scoop out some of the flesh to create a larger cavity. 2 heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add baby spinach and cook until wilted. Then, in a separate pot, boil the eggs until they reach your desired level of doneness. For soft-boiled eggs, cook for about 6 minutes. For hard-boiled, cook for 9 minutes. Once the eggs are cooked, peel them and place 1 egg in each avocado half. Top with sautéed spinach, chia seeds, a sprinkle of lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper. Benefits: this breakfast bowl is packed with healthy fats from the avocado and olive oil, which help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Eggs provide protein, essential for muscle maintenance and satiety, while spinach adds fiber and vital nutrients. Lunch: keto chicken salad with avocado and bacon. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked chicken breast, shredded, 1 ripe avocado, diced, 4 slices of bacon, cooked and crumbled, 1 cup mixed greens, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, preferably homemade or keto-friendly, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine shredded chicken, diced avocado, crumbled bacon, and mixed greens. 2. In a small bowl, mix mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt, and pepper until well combined. Pour the dressing over the chicken salad and toss to coat evenly. Or serve immediately or refrigerate until ready to eat. Benefits: this chicken salad is a perfect balance of healthy fats, protein, and low-carb vegetables, making it ideal for blood sugar control. The healthy fats from avocado and bacon help keep you full and satisfied, reducing the risk of snacking on high-carb foods. Dinner: keto garlic butter salmon with asparagus. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 1 bunch of asparagus trimmed, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon fresh parsley chopped. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees. 2. Place the salmon fillets and asparagus on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. In a small saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. Add minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Drizzle the garlic butter over the salmon and asparagus. 5. Season with salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Bake in the preheated oven for 15-20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and the asparagus is tender. Sprinkle with fresh parsley before serving. Benefits: salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and support heart health. Asparagus is a low-carb vegetable high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. Why these recipes are good for diabetics? The keto diet focuses on reducing carbohydrate intake, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. By emphasizing healthy fats and proteins, the diet promotes satiety and reduces the risk of blood sugar spikes. These recipes incorporate nutrient-dense ingredients that support overall health and well-being, making them suitable for diabetics and healthy eaters alike. Custom Keto Diet Plan. If you're interested in a more personalized approach to the keto diet, consider the Custom Keto Diet Plan. This tailored program takes into account your individual dietary preferences, goals, and health conditions to create a customized meal plan that ensures you get the right balance of nutrients while enjoying delicious, satisfying meals. The Custom Keto Diet Plan offers a comprehensive 8-week meal plan based on your personal preferences, detailed recipes with easy-to-follow instructions, a variety of meal options to keep you motivated and satisfied, tips and advice on how to maintain the keto lifestyle long-term, To start your custom keto journey, click the link in the description to purchase the plan and take the first step towards better health and blood sugar management. The keto diet can be a valuable tool for managing diabetes and improving overall health. By focusing on low-carb, nutrient-dense foods, you can maintain stable blood sugar levels and enjoy a variety of delicious meals. Try these recipes and consider the custom keto diet plan to further support your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. The link for the keto diet plan is in the description. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.